man, I Willie Pep.
Touch me again.
Willie Pep.
Yeah, I know Willie Bam.
Yeah, man, so Willie Babs, man.
No, man.
No, man. You're saying that there, so.
Bravo!
Oh.
No, just let my put a player.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
The place look nice.
I know you say the cover.
No.
Different toast list today.
Different to. I know Willie Bam about
toast list.
Baja. I know Willie Bam about Oh, different.
Willie Pep, man. I Willie Pep.
Touch me again.
Willie Pep.
Yeah, I know Willie Bam.
Yeah, man, so Willie Babs, man.
No, man.
You're saying that there, so.
Bravo!
Oh,
No, just let my put a player.
yeah. I know Willie Bam about this at third. What?
I never pick up the feelings, I'm not setting up until I reach over them. Alright? Sorry. Yeah.
The dream team, clean team they are putting them work. Cheese. Bombing ball. Keep it bombing. Smiley. Right next to liquor.
Yeah.
Jella. Cooler man. Dream team. Clean team. Real team.
Willie Babs is in that dance there. And this way I use and tell Willie Babs.
Can't I Willie Bam place this? Why you not tell man? Willie Bam play that one.
Rebuild.
Oh man. Bob's Willie, I know Willie Bob. Bob's Willie, don't baby.
Yeah.
Bob's Willie. Like the color, you know?
Can you match this?
Yeah.
Watch there.
Color shot man. Shot in.
Yo,
Cheese.
you see paint? It matches the something over there on the floor, but it was the car.
Aluminum.
Linoleum. But some people call aluminum.
Some people say
Aluminum.
Yeah, windows.
see a father.
So yo, Esther surprised me, you know. Cause she grew up posh. Hey baby, she grew up posh. Yeah. You never know say her hand could I get dirty, boy.
Yeah.
So nah lie, her mummy grew up posh, you know.
Yeah.
And she have it But I mean, wow.
See? She take telling enough.
Yeah.
We're the back from the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. And yeah, I see that. What you want? You want
A ranking.
I saw big pots.
Yeah. Mass pants. You know, mass pants. Mass pants. No, big pants.
She takes in a painter, in a free of touch, eh? That's what they get that room. Yeah. I hear. But you look like some more. Sorry. Just try, sir. One guy you see. I want to pop it up.
Alright, painter. Alright, painter. Painter and Joe out here. And boom down the mine.
Yeah, man. Pull that tree.
Jeez, we like the makeover. Yeah, I tell you. The place just looks so different. I know the color.
Yeah,
Color bad. Mr. Sir, how are you doing?
Not too bad, sir.
Yes, you ready again?
Yes,
You been waiting?
yes, all along.
All along. Now we're on the journey again, yeah?
Yes,
So she's waiting on you as well too. So I'm looking forward to this session. This is what, your third week now?
yeah.
Great. Alright, then let's go. trees now.
Is I getting fat? I getting fat is because the mango season.
Oh, see?
And then lockdown. I locked down with mango for tea, lunch and dinner. So I've been banned. Can you imagine looking at the mango tree over there? And I hear that I need to stop eating mango.
You're eating too much.
I'm eating too much.
The sister.
I don't like food, but I love mangoes.
So,
The sister, she never.
how you doing?
She just
I am
coming
working
from
though.
town.
Not bad.
Like a bar shop, so she just come from town, so she come.
She can make it better. Did I get the
She buys
parsley?
parsley, she boils.
Yeah.
All right, you can move her out. The next thing I want you to get is a support stocking. You need a support stocking with the swelling. I can see some freeze.
Yeah.
You see it going down? Look on the, you see that? You see just here, it don't come up like that. You see it's right. So the parsley is good, but the support stocking will help to keep the fluid up that way. So, does she have her personal doctor? Is her personal doctor that she goes to?
Yeah.
Right.
My sister would have took her to her house.
Yes. He had never ordered a support stocking for her? Or?
No.
Because that's what you need. You see, there's a stocking they call a support stocking, right?
Yeah.
The partially bring it down, you know. But yes, but you see, because you're not active moving around, if you're active moving around, then that will be good, right? Most of the time what doctor does, they give you like water tablets. But I find it water tablets, you take it and in no time, you know, it come out right. But with the parsley really drain it. Can you see the difference on that?
Yeah.
Right, so the parsley is very good. But if you have this support stocking as well, which you put on, you can get the one to here. Right, don't take the one down there because it's going to cut into the foot. That will help. All right, but try and get her. So I like when her mask cover her nose, you know, because let me tell you, most time the virus goes through the nose. It's not the mouth, because you close the mouth all the while, don't it? But the nose is what hoping so you have to make sure that
She should just come out of the car and say,
yes.
yeah, I breathe.
All right. Oh. Hi.
This one?
Give me longer, please. Yeah.
There's a locking system. No, this is the one that locks into it. That side.
Side up?
Yes, I think it's. You see?
Yeah.
That side.
Yeah, that's the side.
I don't think so. No. It's at the side.
Yeah, so.
Right? So I'm gonna ask you to see if you can bend forward, and you know how to push up the thing for the chair. You can. Why you laugh? Come back. Okay. Look at Hallie down. You move that way. All right. Okay. Put it back now, Hallie. Let's see if we can reach that. Put it through the other way. I think if you put your hand through the other way, go through there, make it easier. Push that.
Shub it.
Shub it. Long time ago you don't want to shub it. Shub it. You know shub it yet? Okay. No, it's not from that side.
You have to take it from up your side, mother.
Now put her hand on it. Okay, stop. Quiet. Stop. Okay, ready now. Push as hard as you can.
Yeah.
Push, man. Put some strength in it. Push it. Push.
Yeah.
Good girl. All right. So now that you push it and it's open, right? I want you to take your foot down and put it on the ground. Okay, stop. Okay, good, good. So that's the right. So the left, we're going to do the same thing with the left. As Ali said, shove it.
Yeah.
Alright? So let's go. Push the other side. You remember what Ali did?
Yeah, that one.
Go ahead. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. And the foot is down. You see that? So if you want to ease, because the thing is that you don't want to sit in the chair all the time like that, right? Does she sit and put her leg up?
Yeah, I put them go. That's why I call and drink.
Right, if you put it up and okay, good.
We
good.
start one I practice her now to go for the next side.
Right, but you can stay on the other side, so you keep reminding her.
Yeah, I remind them, but our next sister were stubborn. You have to tell it to the other sister.
Yes, yes.
Say, yo, tell her.
Because she will just leave her.
Yeah.
But you can't do that because the brain, you know, when it gets into a pattern, it stays in that pattern. All right? So you see, you put your foot down. So what I'm going to ask you to do is bring back the chair. Bring back the chair that you just pulled. Pull back the foot. Bring it back and put back your foot on it. Remember, you have to quiet the hands, you know. The hands getting away with mercy. Okay. Alright. So you have to foot now. Alright. You're still now, but you're too much still on your left side. But that's alright. So get the foot properly. Set the foot properly. So in order for that, you'll have to hold on. Use the hand, hold on to there, and put some pressure in there.
Set the foot properly.
You see how dark the hands is to the circulation. This is why I want her to use them. Alright? Because just like how you have a circulation problem in the leg, it's the same way in the hand. Right? And if you look on both of them, you'll see this one is a little more darker than this one. And so this is one of the reasons why I'm trying to get her in the you see it from here down. This is why I'm trying to get her in that habit of using the hand. So once she starts using her hand to open the thing for her leg to go up and come down, I want her to understand that once the leg is hanging down, it will accumulate fluid. So if she's hanging it down too much, then she's in a position where she herself can open it, take it up, put it a little higher, and then relax herself for it to drain. Especially since she's taking the parsley, and the parsley, the fluid needs to go somewhere. She can't have it undone like that. Okay, so it's going to keep coming up. So you do one. So we're ready for the other leg now. Right wrong, right wrong. We have to carry this around here. But the thing is that this leg is still too far away. So you have to bring this one in. So put your hand there, right? Hold, make sure, there you go. Alright, quiet that one. That one is talking to you. You can't talk. So much thing can't talk to you one time. So quiet this one. Alright, tell that one to be still. Be still. So you have to move the foot around. Am I in your way? No, I don't. You guys have an opener? You have an opener? Okay. So you're leaning a little too much to your left. So come back this way.
quiet there and then.
Lift your feet, lift the next one, good. Okay, so you have to sit down forward now. Sit forward. Sit forward, yeah.
Long, sit landing.
Remember you have to bring the foot? Yes, I think so. I just like put it up so I could put the chair on it.
Alright.
Ready?
Sit and sit forward now.
Sitting forward. Keep going. So you sitting forward, you have to move the leg forward, remember? So leg have to go forward. All right, good. Stay right there. Good. Bring the leg forward now. Remember you sit forward, so leg have to go forward. Forward. Keep going. Keep going. A little further. Pull, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, pull, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna let you go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, nice. How are you feeling? You feeling good?
Yeah.
You're in a lot of pain?
No, just a little bit of pain.
Where are you having the pain? You have to quiet the hands now. Good girl. Quiet the hands. Tell them be still. Okay, you good?
Yeah.
Click it. And you have to click it. Good girl. Lift up your foot now. Nice. Lift.
Oh.
Don't go through there. Go over it. Yes. Alright, so you're gonna open the door, then take your foot down first. Good. Take your feet down. Good. You have to take it down.
Take down my foot.
Take it down first. Good. I'm sorry. Take it down.
Take it down, take it
Put
down.
it on the ground.
Yeah.
Good. Now open it. Open it.
Push.
Put everything you want, everything in there.
Push.
Push.
Say too light.
It's too light. Hold on.
Push it. Yeah. And the next one now. Take your foot down first. Go on.
Lift it. Lift up.
Go on, you're almost there.
I have to lift up and put it down in the mother. Quiet down there. Lift up. Up. Put it on up yourself now. Yeah, lift it. Yeah, again. Lift up.
Relax a bit, relax. Relax a bit.
Quiet down there. Talk to them.
Instead of quieting the hand, just relax a bit before you even start quieting the hand.
Push it up now. Push. Well done.
Try, you do it. Come on, push, yes. There you go. There you go. There you go. Push. Fine. Alright, so we'll finish with this one now. We're gonna move over to that one over there. Put that back in the chair. We'll finish with this one. This is your warm up. So you're gonna go.
This one?
Yes, you're gonna be over there.
Move the left one.
Yeah.
Move the left one. Circle here.
Yes.
Shall I rest on the wrong? Oh, not yet. Wrong.
Alright. Relax. You're gonna put your hand on your ear now. Push it. Push. Push it. Push it. Wow. If you pull it down, but you have to push. Just push. Pull. Pull. Good. Keep coming. Push. Push. Breathe. Keep coming. Very good. Seven. Very good. Keep coming. 8. 9. Push. One. Good. Two. Very good. You did good. Three. Nice. Now, push. Push. Four. Keep pushing it. Go on to the next. Come again. Up. Five. Nice. Push down here. 6. 7. Nice. 8. Push down. 9. 10. Nice. Here now. Ready? Push. 1. Good. 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 4. Look at the turn and you can do that easy. 5. Tiger. 1. 2. 3. 4. Last one. 5. Alright. So you finish with it. Finish with it. Alright? Yeah, good. Put your stick. You know something, let she walk around. Yeah. Walk around, when she go around there, you see. Stimulate the nerves. Okay, so you gotta walk around.
Gotta walk around, yeah?
No shower.
Yes. See how she hang it, you see how she hang it down?
My socks, yeah. She said the ground good part. You look at too fast?
As long as you don't drive.
Alright.
Just a little bit to lift, and they can drive too. Walk, there you go. Take your time, take your time. Take your time. Are you tired? You want to walk some more? Yeah. Alright. Keep going. Lift, walk. Yes, take your time, take your time. Just like that. You're doing fine. Wonderful. Good. Keep walking. Keep not cool. You're doing good. You're doing good. As you go, make sure you get past the here. I'll start showing you that because your hand is on.
Every time you get stiff, that's when she stop walk, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright guys, you take care. Bless it. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much again for this session, Miss Pinto.
Welcome.
Thank you so much and God bless you.
Same to you guys, boy. You guys doing wonderful work. Yesterday I was watching a lot of the videos the whole time.
Yeah.
When I call you, that's what my daughter and I were sitting down watching the video. You guys do wonderful work.
Yeah.
Continue to do it. Keep the faith.
Yeah, man. You too, man. You definitely do it.
No. That's motivation for you guys to do.
Yeah.
You understand? Alright, take care. But remember, you have to get her the support stopping. Alright then.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.